But you hold the shrimp by the body with your right hand.
My right hand.
Yes.
Oh,
The left hand rips the head off. Go ahead and rip the head off. Pinch it and just take it out. Yeah.
Can I suck it?
That, I don't do that, but you can. That's optional. Ew.
Alright.
That was great. Ew.
Alright, what's up?
Did you just? That was okay.
Come
That's
on,
fine.
man.
So next, what you do is, with your right hand, your dominant hand, take the body, and make it supine. Basically, you look at the legs. Yeah. Yeah. And then basically, with your left hand, you're gonna rip off the legs from top to bottom.
Wait, what's the top?
With your left hand. Left hand. No, from the body, from the top of the head to the feet.
It's harder, man. I'm not used to
No, I
doing
do
it
this.
left.
I do this when I rip it off. And then I take my finger, and then I splice the middle open. And by the time I get to the tail, I rip the tail out.
Alright, I got you, man.
Yeah, that doesn't seem like the fastest way to do it. No, it is fast, but
Alright, man, here I go. I think I spliced it.
Yeah, you have to splice. There you go. Well, you gotta take all the legs off first.
I already ripped them off.
Okay.
I mean, they're detached.
Slice them in the middle. In the middle of the bottom of the tail. It's real. I gotta show it to you, man.
Do one.
I can't.
Are you out?
Yeah. I
Borrow
don't.
one of his shrimps.
No, I'm good. Next time you guys ask me, I'll remember.
Look.